enough to do communication. Because everything happen. I can't say because she not communicate with me good to get the money for Garia. Because remember, she don't take the picture them having her phone from with the hotel. Well, I know. She don't take the picture them from the hotel. She don't put my toothbrush in something from the hotel. All because me I talk to her all loud she be all vulgar she be.
So
you can't say a communication.
No,
you
that's
can't
not
say a communication make this happen. She just wicked. She just
that's
wicked.
That's not communication this so.
That a plan something before you even take a plane. You just plan say alright, you now take the money from Ivany because you're going to get a revenge or you're going to plan for fuck her up. And knowing that the media don't like her, you just plan that. That's just a planned wicked journey.
Well, I hope you learn your lesson now with everybody and just understand life now. Ivany, Jesus Christ, you have to learn your lesson now.
And then she said me manipulate. She have to say me manipulate Tracy because Tracy probably not bother one big, you know. So me manipulate Tracy and Tracy follow. Me can manipulate one big woman. Tracy a big woman, her kids them have a sense or one, or mind of her one. Just like how Tracy come to beat me. And she said she tell Tracy don't fight me, but Tracy still come to beat me. So what? Tracy never have a mind of her own right there. So when you tell her don't go, she still go. So all now is a manipulating when me come talk with you. Just because maybe nobody not on your side. Once somebody not on for them side, it's always
Several lad, you're in the comment section. Well, boy Ivany, so that means that she did Bex. It show me that she did Bex from before.
She's not gonna like me because she's an old woman. We are trying to be young. She needs to go look about her life.
She never tell me, say, me not for beat, stop, don't beat you. She never tell me stop one time. Not one time she tell me stop.
I can't find the record right now. It's on.
She was in my ears on my other phone the whole time.
She said she told you.
She told me on live. She was trying to play innocent on live because she said she have her business. She never stopped me. She never tell me to stop one time. But live she do it.
The comment section. Hold on.
But live she do it. But live she do it because she said she have her business and she don't want it to look too bad. But she didn't in my ears same way.
But the comment section now like comment section tell me if me I like she's not talking on her live say. Tracy call her out her bed for fight.
Yes, me they call her. Yes, I me call her, but she never tell me for don't do it.
She said she tell her said don't fight body leg on it, but you
no. She said yes. She did well excited. She did want me bust up your mouth. She did excited. I lie. She
too little and she too lie. And when somebody not agree with what she has said, it's a problem. She too little bit and she too like she's gonna look by yourself. You're careless. You're a big woman. I mean, supposed to in a mix-up, young little girl, you're a big woman now.
Jesus Christ, why you have to remove yourself every minute? Oh, true, you're not a something.
I don't know your life. I mean, you don't know about TikTok by now. I'm my life.
But my life restrict from that too. What's several lad there? Several lad coming in half an hour. Next case, this man don't know.
Somebody were homeless enough to mix up, so. You're still in the people shelter and Donald Trump in a power. Come out of the people them shelter, man. You're homeless and you're strong in America. You're too homeless and strong. So find somewhere live.
Well, Ivany, I hope you learn your lesson. Learn your lesson. This friend thing, I don't fear. Man to be your friend.
I see worst thing. Them love talk about kids in a blinger. You see if I did me bring up something about picnic, you that's it. Oh, comments class, me, you should bring
up the kids thing. Me not like the kids thing.
And my son is a citizen. Your son is a citizen, man, Banya. Make him ever grow up on the something.
Support the live goal, people, and tap the screen. Please and thank you now. Everybody support the live goal.
Ice can't go nowhere. Ice born in the Atlanta Northside Hospital. Yours never Banya. Is a difference. Yours a citizen, man, Banya.
Bling, did you learn? You're there. Bling,
yours is still like that immigrant. Legal immigrants, I should say. So fix up your talking. You can't compete with mine. Mine Banya, man. Chop now worry about mine. Oh. Use the body 10 times, my body still can look like mine.
I'm glad say Tracy come and done with the fuckery. One, you and she's now not a vendetta ongoing going on now.
She's just vexed because her body look yeah. Me do my body one time and my body look good. She's the body all 6 times and still can't look good. She's body cut up. Cut up like slice. Cut up.
Lord Jesus. She not done.
She look like say, bring her. She's do her body and the money for do the massage them. She's belly. She's belly wheel up no money for do the massage. Her belly look terrible. Make sure show you her belly. She got do blood clot photo shoot. And the people they make mistake and post the photo shoot, the real one, then before them put the edit one. And you know want to see how the girl belly crab up and bulk up. Like when the doctor them they juke her up, them they have the forward suit to put on her, them just send her out of the blood clot surgery place just
them
like
people
that.
are wicked though.
With people. Where? Lion, tell her to come on the live and show her belly then. Tell her to do it. Add her bring and tell her to show her belly.
Bonnie, behave now. Come people, support the live goal.
I don't know why I make my mouth meet with that girl again in the academy crosses, isn't it?
Well, right now you have a lot of things to enjoy now. You have a new body where broke the internet. Focus
right sorry, me answer my friend call. That's why sometimes if you listening, me name one screen record catch me and them the dirty people there again. You see how long me avoid them when them dep on my name bring and me avoid them, you know. Why I think when Tracy that tell me if you send the request, me name one join, cause me name one dep on live with them the dirty girl choose them.
So make this be the last. Make this be the last and focus on your dog.
Oh.
You have new body, new everything now. You have internet sensation, Vani, whether you believe it or not. So just go ahead and do your thing.
One thing I love pay people to do things to me. I love pay my money to do things. Me pay any amount of money to come to me. I nah beg you for free. I tell us to come to do it for free. Me pay you.
Right, Yusuf, check your message. Right, Yusuf, check your message them.
I don't have time for that now. When time I come and check my message.
Well, girl, listen, make sure you get your massage them and everything. Them expensive, you know. I want.
Yeah, my money, that's why I go do body. Yeah, my money can't do it. Me not run go do body and no money for massage.
No, me I said the massage them little expensive, but make sure you get all of your massage them and the backboard and the stomach board and them something there.
You know me say me have my money.
You know what me I tell you what you forget next. Me not care if you have your money. Get the board them. Get the board too.
Me have to buy it or when me I got the surgery, me can't.
You do the surgery already, you can buy it now from Amazon. Just ask the doctor who's the body.
Yeah, when I use massage, I mean if you buy it, go make them do it or coming at the service.
No, it's supposed, whatever you package up here for, you're supposed to get it. But if you don't get it, ask the girl where massage you say, you want the stomach board and the back board. You
so how you make the body before you? I'm show the people them my body, but I'll know you can't show the people them your body.
Leave
what
me alone.
Why I wait back so long?
Vanny, be tired for tell us.
I'll kick back, lock down and come back and you still
but
show people them your body, man.
But Vanny, listen, me tired for tell us that me do different from you. Me do tummy tuck, one cut from one side to one next side. So me swollen plus a little mini BBL plus the 360. You know, understand?
You do BBL too? Bro, then can more food for me.
One little bit, one skinny one.
They got me blood. Bring a start up man and show the people in the body, man.
Well, listen to me, man. I'm just excited over your body because I know you say you're going to do it and you're going to do it and see it and how you look good and it broke the internet. Everybody talk about your body.
Why you think the girl them come off of me? My God. Everybody come off of me now. That's why a girl vex kind of thing body 2 times and still can't look good.
Man, you know, easy, you know. But your internet sensation, so just use that. Me tell you, do your brand them and do your things them now, girl. Loud the cussing and the arguing with the people them.
You should have had the dirty girl and you add her. Where add her for?
Me never know if I me add, oh yes, and because me never know. If me know say two somebody in the top, me not gonna do that. But she's coming out one different name. Me wanna add it so me add 1-1. Me not like problem. But aside alive.
So when we are gonna see your body now?
February 14.
My Valentine's Day. Bring on your try look good. The people that with your son.
You know what good about this?
Come on, your belly. If you make people that wait so long, you come out with a belly bang same way. I'm sorry if you're up on the internet. I say them, I say for you, whole February you go viral. You better see you good enough.
Vanny, listen. The good thing about this situation, you see, through you do your body now. You see, if when my body come out and all, if me not turn good, them can talk about for you. So, me now look. How long you think I'm going to put my own? My queries.
No, I think your one not good for you.
How long you think I'm going to put my own? Them have yours for talk about, so what you think this is?
But it's a brand that ever crash. Because I have scabies, you know. You know, I have everything that's up in, what's up with the eye.
Where them get this Brenda name from? Where this come from?
Just so. I don't care what they want to call me. The fact that everybody know it symbolizes my name still, it's a win. Them could have called me.
Other type girl. If my body now
Them
look
could have called me Brenda, Klinger, Winger. It don't matter what they want to call me. Everybody know Ivany them still attack. So